Sai Ram, I am Iti Mattu. I am from the maths content team of the Vidya Vahini group, and I have been working with Vidya Vahini for the last 2 years. And as part of that, I have been attending for the last 2 days the Global Education Summit. Let me tell you at the outset, I am in deep admiration for the planning and the implementation team. The way they have taken care from the attention to the details that they have given is, I think, a direct, consequence of Swami's love. Because right from logistics to the venue to the photo corner, I mean, everything has been thought of. And if you look at the schedule of the whole event, I have never seen such a medley of speakers, very capable, who are heading the various institutions, whether it is a school or a college or a orphanage. And they have covered the aspects from all angles. Like, we have people representing the policy creation, implementation, challenges of a parent, and the differently abled children also. And what touched my heart was the various presentations, both in the Kulwant Hall and the foyer, and the opening of each day was done by a differently abled child, which was done so beautifully, especially the rendition by Menuka Podal singing was really divine. When I actually received the invite, I was wondering that as a maths content team, how this summit is going to be relevant to me. But now that I have completed all the 3 days, what I see is that, and I think it was beautifully summarized by Mr. Ratnakar's speech, is love all and serve all. So inclusion is nothing if you can just take care of each and every child and be empathetic and take care, be more aware of the differently abled children, what they would need. Maybe the content also has to be updated based on that. So I'm deeply grateful and really blessed to be part of this summit. Thank you so much.